You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names many get wrong and mispronounce, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more, become part of the community. This is a fairly common name. In English it's said as Sienna, Sienna, Sienna. Now, if you're looking at how to say the name of this beautiful city in Tuscany, Italy, in Italian it's said as Sienna, Sienna, Sienna. So in English, Sienna. And now you know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.